In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how you can fix Minecraft error code creeper. So let's get started. Now, this error code creeper in Minecraft typically indicates a network issue preventing sign-in. Now, I'm going to go ahead and give you 5 main troubleshooting steps that you could take to fix this error. The first one we have is verify internet connection. So I'm just going to go ahead and write it down. Verify internet connection. All right, so ensure that you have a stable and strong internet connection. You could also try restarting your router or modem for a fresh connection. The next one is check account information. Check account information. All right, so double check your Minecraft username and passwords. If using a Microsoft account, verify its linkage to your Minecraft profile. The next one we have is update Minecraft. Update Minecraft. So ensure you have the most recent version of Minecraft installed. The next one we have is restart Minecraft. Restart Minecraft. So what this is pretty self-explanatory. You have to close Minecraft completely and then reopen. Now ensure that you're doing Alt F4 to completely close and not just clicking the X button, because sometimes it doesn't completely close it. Then lastly, you could try sign out and then signing back in. Sign out, then signing in. All right. So you sign out of your Microsoft account or your Minecraft account, close the game, and then sign back in. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.